Hi everyone, this is Yad from Gig Productions, and we are talking today about monitors. As you may know, there's a lot of different monitors from every company these days. They started with all-around monitors that, like a monitor that you can use for everything. And of course, there's still some of these monitors still coming these days in the market, but we also have now different between all the monitors in the market right now. There is a lot of company who now working for special things in the market, like monitor for designer, monitor for gamers, monitor for for video editors, monitor just for Mac, monitors for everything, monitor for offices. Like there's now bunch of kind of monitors. So which one the best is for you? This question I'm still busy with this a little bit for a while. Like thinking about. I'm working right now more with the Mac, more with Adobe video editing with Adobe Premiere. So I was thinking all these days, what monitor do I need? Which one is the best for me? Like the thing is, there's of course many good monitors out there, but still the question, can I afford that? Like one of the best monitor, BenQ, and that cost around 1,100 euro. Here there's also from Asus Bro Art, it cost around 2,000 euro. Of course, something I won't be thinking that I will buy even if I have money, that Apple Studio XDR, or no matter what kind, which one are you gonna buy, the 5K or the 6K? But of course you still need a monitor that support at least 5K, because all these Mac these days supporting 5K or at least 4K. Of course we are now with the M4 chip from Apple. So still there are things that you want if you are looking for a video editing, or if you are designer, you are looking for at least 89 or 100% accuracy for the colors. If you are gaming, you are looking for the most FPS screens or monitors that support FPS. If you are looking for a monitor that you are gonna work with it for the whole days, so you are looking for something that you get comfortable with your eye and do not cause you problems in the future with your eye. So there's a lot of questions. Of course, you can always look by just searching on Google the best monitor for gaming 2024, or the best monitor for designer 2025, but still the question, which one is the best for you? I will try to share with you some of the best websites that you can search online, or just look online, how to look with that. And of course, something in my opinion that one of the interest monitors right now out there. Of course, if you still want to have 5K and with 100 accuracy color, or with high FPS, so you need to pay a little bit more and more. Of course, there's many videos out there on YouTube, some people who explain that. I will try to get in a contact with some companies if they don't mind to borrow me monitors from them just to test it. Of course, I know this is maybe impossible or sounds crazy, but maybe I got a lucky or chance. Some of the companies out there, watch this video and borrow me a monitor to see, or maybe give me a monitor. So let's see it. So here we are talking about the best monitors for you for 2025. We are talking here with the best of one of the best monitors out there, and the brand is BenQ. And this is also one of the greatest, I thought, and are suitable also or integrated with Mac. So you can, or they have their own software that can integrate it with Mac, and with high accuracy for the color. They have also a program or software that you can install, and you can of course switch so easily between the Mac and of course the monitor so easily, and get also the same result as you have. And also they have Thunderbolt that you can power your Mac, or charge your Mac with it. Of course, a lot of speakers these days have speakers, but like, don't rely on that speakers. Of course, you can still have or use your own speakers. Thing is, though, all the monitors, I noticed that it's designed for MacBook, or for designer, or for video editors, or for Photoshop people. They are really have a clean design like this, and they are very organized. Of course, this one comes with two options, 32 inch and also 27 inch. Of course, you can buy this docking station, and it's available in Europe and also everywhere, especially of course in the United States. There's just amazing in my opinion, and BenQ also, it's definitely one of the best monitors out there. There's also multiple option or different option. As you see here, you can just see that photographers monitor, designer for monitors, best 4K, best monitor for Mac or MacBook Pro designer, best 4K monitors for MacBook. Like, there's bunch of options: gaming series, home series, professional series, programming series. So if we just go to gaming series, we can take a look or about what they support. Of course, I recommend when you just pick up, or when you think, okay, I want to buy this monitor, this specific monitor, I of course recommend to just copy that name and go to YouTube and see many videos about that specific design or that specific model, just to get a better look about advantage, disadvantage. And then you can of course start comparing about what's worth it and what's not worth it, because there's many and plenty of these designer for the gaming. Of course, some people FreeSync is the best for them, and also some people also of course, as we know, FreeSync for AMD, and there's also some people looking for NVIDIA Sync. I just forget the name of that. Also, I was looking about this monitor from Samsung. Samsung has also this amazing monitor, Finity S9. I heard a lot of that about this monitor. Also, it's just clean monitor, clean design. Of course, this is, as I mentioned, for designer, for for everyone who's working with Photoshop, video editing. Like, it's amazing. Like, it's also important just to see how the contrast it is. As you see here, 1000 to 1, how much the contrast, how much the pixel. As you see here, it's 5K, 1 milliard color. So there's many options. As you see, maybe you are interesting about to see how many how many ports you have. As you see, display port 1, USB 3.1, Thunderbolt 1, version version 4, 90 watt, Bluetooth version 4.2. So just important just to know that. If you just go here, also just pick the name of the screen. There's of course LG, one of the best also monitor, but the thing is, it's a little bit expensive, still expensive for many people out there. Like, you can just best monitor for best monitors for 2024. So you can just pick one of these sites. For me, this site, I really found this site helpful because they rate or they have rating for every screen that they just put here. But the thing is, when I just check that, it's almost just the same, like just if I scroll down, where is that? Like you can go down and take a look about that, all the statistic that they just offer. Sizes 20, 27, 34, 27, 34, OLED, QD OLED, IBS, how many max refresh rate, like native resolution, PC gaming, how much it's suitable for PC gaming. Also 9.1, look at that. This is just amazing. MSI, QD OLED. Of course, you can go here and see the price of it on Amazon. Sometimes they just direct you to a link where you don't find anything at all. So where should I go again? We were here. We will go back, so you can just copy the name and go and look it up online or on Google. The best for you, of course, to see where you can get this in your region. Maybe you are in the United States, maybe you are in Europe. So there's also here many other options. Still, the big question: can you afford that? For me, I'm looking right now for a best monitor that suit or integrated with Mac. So for me, I'm really thinking about these BenQ. Because it's very nice, but it's still so expensive. Man, it's so expensive. And of course, there's thing is that when you are looking for these things, you're gonna think about, like color match at its best. You're still thinking about the price. You cannot just like forget the price for a little and just because it's so important. Look at that. Mac designer, Mac photographer. Also many other things. Mac photographer. So I like where is the Mac videographer? I don't know. But as you see here, also look at that prices. Like if you want a 4K Ultra HD, that costs you around, like maybe in euro, it will be around also 2,000 euro, and the price goes up and goes down. Depends on what you need or what you want. And designer, like there is also this screen. It's very nice. What I see here, like this one has a dial that you can control with many options, but still, like this is for the accurate color, calibrating the colors. Look at this. They have this what they call it. They call it Pilot 2, BenQ Display Pilot 2, that you can install, and you can of course control your Mac from the screen directly, and you have all the options that you have on Mac. I heard from a lot of people online that it's not accurate 100%, but still good. So let me know in the comment which monitor is the best for you and why is that. So also we can share our thoughts with the other and take the experience from them. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.